y'all? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. You know what I'm saying?
Bad bitches, bad bitches, can't sit with.
Like what?
Bad bitches, mad bitches.
Damn, little fuckboy man, you know that I be.
You wanna fuck?
And today I'm gonna be doing, I don't know when I'm gonna call this vlog yet, but I'm getting ready for school. It's like 8 something. My school started at 9. So I'm gonna take a shower real quick and I'm gonna show you my morning routine.
Still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you with some other, but know you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. I got me a therapist to tell me there's other men I know. One night, I just want you. And if I can't have you, no one should. I might kill my ex. Not the best idea. His new girlfriend's next. How I get here. I might kill my ex. I still love him though. Rather be in jail than alone. I get the sense that it's a lost cause. I get the sense that you might really love her. The sex gon' be your business. The sex is evidence. I try to ration, but you know murder's a crime of passion. But damn, you was out of reach. You was at the farmer's market with your perfect peach. Now I'm in the basement, planning on my basement. Now you laying face down, got me saying over the beat. So mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. I got me a therapist to tell me there's other men I know. One time, I just want you. If I can't have you, no one will. I might kill my ex. Not the best idea. His new girlfriend's next. How'd I get here? I might kill my ex. I still love him though. Rather be in jail than alone.
I just don't know what to put on because I was gonna put some camo pants on. And I guess that's a no. These pants I got from Target. Got these on. I don't know if I should go like that. And it's hella cold outside. I don't know. Should I put my Ricks? I think my Ricks in this will go. I feel like they'll go. Wait. Let me take that with me to get a shirt. Because I need it. It's a black polo. It's a black polo shirt. And I'm gonna put on my Ricks. Y'all know me. Everything I put on is black, 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 black. Not everything. Yo, do you want a shoe collection video? Like I got all of these shoes. And it's still some missing. Yeah, I got my hair in a clip. This is it out. Y'all probably like, your hair look fine. No, it don't. My hair is tangled up. My hair was originally literally like in the middle, but did the side part and now this is how it looks.
How's your aunt?
I'm calling on this. We hit the blood, niggas cops for the jealous. We in the bag and we mug in the tear. And I'm with a bad bitch and I got it a tear. Oh yeah. I was just like this vision, like live it up. When she gets down, just like live it up. I can't run the block, she did not hold it shot. That bitch bad, watch her blow.
Aaliyah.
Ready to get supposed to engage, and my hair will be given rock the boat, change positions, Aaliyah.
Take a look inside your heart, is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, was any out of fear that you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear? Cause what's the point of crying? It was never even enough. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boy's a liar, good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya, you're not looking at me right. Good boy's a liar, good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya, you're not looking at me right.
He say that I'm good enough, got him out there, think about shit that I shouldn't have. So I tell him it's one of me, he making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me, like that boy is a cat. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, bet he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. And it been.
I don't know if I'm gonna go with this or the cargos. I'm gonna change the outfit and put my cargos on and then go to the store and get something to eat. And then we're gonna be on our way. Tell me why it's 9:26. Bro, oh, delay. And my school's like, no lie, like 30 something minutes away. It's mad far. But I'm about to get on the train. Got my sandwich. I was gonna get oats. You know, if you know what Ice Spice said, if you know, you know. The girls that get it, the girls that don't. I think cause I be eating oats. But I started thinking to myself, am I really gonna eat those oats? No, I'm not. So, got the tradition and got a bacon, egg, and cheese with mayonnaise and ketchup, salt and pepper. I'll get back to y'all when I'm in front of my.
I'm locked up. They won't let me out. No, they won't let me out. I'm locked.
Y'all, it smells ridiculous in this bitch. I'm not gonna hold y'all. Oh my god. I'm on a hunt for a hair crimper because I want to crimp my hair up. So, y'all see where we at? They ain't have it, so we're going somewhere else right here. Crimper. Because I know they should have it. But I wanted to Burlington because they got it on the left. Instead of going to Target.
The Benjamin's the only thing I need. I just come up out the head, no on right, no gotta read. I'm with your bitch, get out the Waffle House, yeah, we on Tennessee. No on chat with some of my niggas out here serving 10 a G. You think a nigga Freddy Krueger?
Why would he send me back here? I'm gonna ask the guy sitting on the floor.
I be in your bitch dream. I'm tryna run that money up. I'm tryna see some big things. This hoe keep blowing up my phone, but I just let that bitch ring. I'm tryna stack that money 7 feet tall, y'all mean. I'm tryna I'm tryna get straight to the bread. Keep on running up that chain. They like who is that he snapping? Ask your bitch, she know my name. She know I'm only chasing money, nigga. I ain't chasing fame. I just took a trip to Cloud 9, yeah, I'm with Mary Jane. Nigga, I been out the way, yeah, I been in the studio. I don't know if I want Jada Waiter or a Ruby Rose. I think this bitch different, she ain't nothing like them other hoes. Brown skin, she bad as fuck. I told that bitch to strike a pose. In Tallahassee, FSU, I'm with the Seminoles. Then we just be hating on me, swear that shit be getting old. Florida just don't want no diamonds, you know I just want the gold. If you rockin', then I'm rolling, nigga, I can't break the code. No, I can't break the code, but I can take your bitch and break his spine. It's a class of hoe. This bitch got me outside drinking wine. I'm with Mary Jane, I'm in the trees, I'm swinging through the vine. A nigga feeling just like Tony Hawk, I'm steady on the ground. She like, damn, Tyler got the sauce, that nigga got the juice. I don't like a ratchet hoe, I like a bitch who keep it cute. I be steady paper chasing, I just get into the loot. You think that boy was in a jet, the way he snatch off in that coupe. I'm in the coupe with Mary Jane, I'm headed straight to outer space. You won't catch me in the mix, oh no, look Tyler out the way. Boy, you need to watch it, bitch, I see you hoe be on my page. I'm just trying to get.
Alright, y'all. So I'm back from getting like Crimper and getting Boba. And y'all know the rest because y'all seen the montage. So, I'm gonna give y'all a Crimper review. And I didn't get the Crimper I showed y'all because it didn't come with all this stuff this one came with. So I'm gonna put my shit in the middle. I'm gonna show you what it comes with. So it came with a glove. And it came with 2 of these. Then it came with the Crimper itself. Instructions that I'm not reading. This is the Crimper. Calling it a beach wave curling wand. This should be called Crimper, right? Nah. Yeah, I hope I didn't get the wrong thing. If it look nice, I'm doing my hair like this tomorrow. Word. Yo, what the fuck is this? Hold the fuck on. Yo, no fucking way. I just bought some bullshit ass Crimper. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Mind y'all, it don't even say Crimper. Oh my fucking gosh, bro. Y'all, it look alright. I want it more in depth, but this is calm. But like, this is some bullshit. But I should have knew it was something up when it said it was $20, which I think, I don't know. But that's the Crimp review, and like and subscribe. Like, period.